Every day, we rely on medications to tackle countless health problems: chronic fatigue, anxiety, depression, recurring infections, digestive disorders, skin conditions, gynecological conditions, hormonal imbalances, and even challenges like weight loss. But here's the truth: these medications often act as temporary patches, covering up the symptoms without addressing the root cause. So, what's the real solution? It's not just in pills, it's in your body's own microorganisms. Your body is home to trillions of microorganisms, called microflora, that play a vital role in your overall health. When balanced, they help regulate your digestion, support your immune system, stabilize your mood, and even influence how you manage weight. But when disrupted, due to stress, poor diet, or overuse of antibiotics, these microorganisms can no longer protect you, leaving you vulnerable to ongoing health issues. Medications are often designed to treat symptoms quickly, which is helpful in the short term. But they rarely address the underlying imbalances in your body. Whether it's persistent fatigue, recurring infections, or emotional struggles like anxiety, the true fix lies in repairing your microflora, not just patching the problem. It's time to heal from within. Visit my website, innerwellnessguide.com, to learn more about how your microflora impacts your health and discover practical, science-backed solutions for long-term wellness. And here's something special: I'm offering a free personalized diet plan tailored to your unique needs. Apply today and start your journey toward true healing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join our growing community for more insights into holistic health.